Welcome to today's episode on how to start your family tree. After you sign in to FamilySearch, on the homepage, head to the top menu, click Family Tree, and then Tree. In the beginning, your tree will look like this. FamilySearch automatically adds your name to the tree when you create an account. In your case, it would be your name, the year you were born, that you are living, and your unique ID. To add a parent, click the plus sign next to Add Father or Add Mother. We'll start with Add Father. Go ahead and add the information. If you are unsure of any information, such as date of birth, you can leave that filled out for now and add it later. The important thing is to get started. Remember, any living people you add can only be viewed by you. Go ahead and click Next. When adding a living person, always click Create Person. This is because living people are not made public. Therefore, you will not find any match already on FamilySearch. There, you have added your father. Go ahead and add your mother. There, father and mother added. The next step would be to add your grandparents. The best thing to do when starting your family tree is to add as many people as you can from living memory. Meaning, if you remember the names of your grandparents, their birth dates, or even birthplace, you can add them. It doesn't have to be your living memory. It can be any of your family members, such as your parents or grandparents. Once you have added all the people from living memory, then you'd start exploring records provided by FamilySearch and other sources to discover more generations and add them to your tree.